This is Craig with Carshalton Advisory, and welcome to 2 Minutes to Master, a video series where I'll demonstrate a Microsoft Office technique in 2 minutes or less. So get out your stopwatch and let's get started. In this video, we're going to master Excel's Sparkline feature. Sparklines are tiny charts that fit within a single cell on your worksheet. There are three available styles: line, column, and win-loss. Line and column styles behave much like you might expect, while win-loss indicates whether a value is greater than or less than 0, so it provides information on direction, but not on its magnitude. I've listed the shortcuts, as well as how to find them by using your mouse. Let's take a look at a scenario to see how they work. In this case, we've been working on a forecast for our club again. We know that membership fees should be the same month over month, but with more than 75 periods in the model, it's tedious to confirm that by looking at each cell individually. By using our shortcuts, we can insert a sparkline into this cell to confirm that the values are what we expect. In the data range, we want to select or type in the range of values that we want plotted. After hitting enter, we can visually confirm that the figures are consistent. We can see this straight line across showing that all the magnitudes are the same, and this matches our expectations. By copying and pasting, we can check another row. Now in this case, we can quickly see that the values are not consistent, which we expected, and therefore do some additional investigation to determine what the problem is. Now in this row, we do expect change. By copying and pasting into here, we can see that with this particular value set, there is an increasing rate of growth over time, which matches our expectations. Now this next example, we're reviewing the balance sheet of a potential investment. Sparklines can help us examine the assets to see if there's any unusual behaviors. By quickly dragging down, we can identify if there's any curious patterns required more detailed review. By using the options in the Sparkline contextual tab, we can either clear or make formatting changes to our plots. Thank you for taking 2 minutes to master Excel Sparklines with me. This is Craig with Carshalton Advisory.